Hello guys, today I'll show you how to change time zone in TradingView. So you can change it by see here. So my time is now it's 2022. It's on March 23rd. It's 4:13. So to change it, you come up here. See here. You can click auto, but it's not doesn't work. So you click on here. UTC here. So where is your location? You can choose where's your location are. So my location is in Cambodia, so I choose Bangkok. You see it's changing now. So it's it's 16. It means it's 4 p.m. That's all. Yeah. Easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.